Welcome to Mindful Melodies Mansion. Today we're diving into the world of physics. Let's get started with our science physics episode, States of Matter. Let's start with the basics. The states of matter. Solids, like this ice cube, have a fixed shape and volume because their particles are tightly packed. Liquids, like water, have a fixed volume but take the shape of their container due to loosely packed particles. Gases, like steam, have neither a fixed shape nor volume because their particles are far apart and move freely. Energy stores. Now let's talk about energy stores. Energy can be stored in various forms: chemical, kinetic, gravitational potential, elastic potential, thermal, magnetic, electrostatic, and nuclear. For example, a stretched rubber band stores elastic potential energy, while a moving car has kinetic energy. Sources of energy. Energy sources can be renewable, like solar and wind, or non-renewable, like coal and oil. Renewable sources are sustainable and have less environmental impact, while non-renewable sources are finite and contribute to pollution. Power and efficiency. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred, calculated as power equals energy divided by time. Efficiency measures how well energy is converted from one form to another, calculated as efficiency equals useful energy output divided by total energy input and then multiplied by 100%. In force diagrams, arrows represent forces acting on an object. The length of the arrow indicates the force's magnitude, and the direction shows the force's direction. For example, a book resting on a table has arrows showing gravitational force downwards and normal force upwards. Calculating pressure, weight, and speed. Pressure is calculated as pressure equals force divided by area. Weight is the force of gravity on an object, calculated as weight equals mass times gravitational field strength. Average speed is calculated as average speed equals total distance divided by total time. Variables in experiments. In experiments, the independent variable is what you change, the dependent variable is what you measure, and control variables are kept constant to ensure a fair test. To calculate the mean average, sum all values and divide by the number of values. For example, to find the mean of 3, 5, and 7, add them to get 15, then divide by 3 to get 5. When drawing tables, ensure columns are labeled with units. Graphs should have labeled axes, and data points should be plotted accurately. Conclusions should summarize findings and relate back to the hypothesis. Remember, physics is all around us, from the forces acting on a roller coaster to the energy transformations in a battery. Stay curious, and you'll do great on your exams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more revision guides. See you next time on Mindful Melodies Mansion. See you next time on